So I'm here in LA, walking to get some food. Oh, ignore the sirens. But yeah, sounds kind of New Yorkish right now. But headed to get some food. Very, very beautiful weather. Nice, not too hot, not too cool. Like perfect weather. So yeah, we're out here headed to get some food. Gonna link up with the family and see exactly what's up with them. We have a lot in store, so I'm super excited, you guys. Like all of my family in one place, turning up for the birthdays, the B-days, the lineup. So we're definitely gonna have a great time. So yeah, I will be sharing everything from this trip. So just wanted to keep you guys abreast of what's going on. So just letting you guys know. All right, I'll be back with my next scene. Let me take you guys on a little walk with me. Life is good. Life is absolutely good. Y'all see this, you guys? Like, seriously. You have to manifest the things that you want. You want a vacation, you want to go away, you want to take trips. Anything you want is possible, it's doable. Okay? You have to make sure that you are thinking positive thoughts and making sure that you are keeping a positive mind frame. That is really what it's all about. So you don't want to, walk around saying, oh, we can't do this, we can't do that, nothing is possible, when everything is possible. And you can make anything possible in your life. Okay? Life is good. We're still living, we're still doing great things. So just be grateful for that. And just know that you're living a good life. Okay? A lot of times things may get you down. It happens to the best of us. But we gotta keep going. We gotta make sure that we are doing things that's gonna lift our spirits. And we gotta make sure that we're continuing to manifest. Like, life is good, you guys. You may have rough days. Things may be a little out of whack, but you have to make sure that you get back on the horse and that you are putting out positive energy, positive vibrations. That's what's going to align you to divine source. That's what's going to align you to the things that you want in your life. So you have to make sure you're doing that each and every day. Yeah. Just make sure that you are continuing to manifest, that you are continuing to put out positive vibrations, keeping your frequency high, making sure you're doing things that are going to keep you in a positive mind state, reprogramming your subconscious mind, all of the things that I teach you guys. And it's not always going to be perfect, but that's the whole thing. It doesn't have to be. Okay, we take our moments as they come and we enjoy and we live in the moment. We live in the now, the here and now. You can't continue to live your life thinking that everything is wrong, because it's not. Life is great, life is amazing, and you have to make sure that you are continuing to show gratitude to the universe, continuing to be thankful and grateful for everything you have in your life. You can have a million reasons to complain, but why? It's not going to benefit you. What's going to benefit you is continuing to give thanks, continuing to be grateful, and continuing to show appreciation. That's what's going to benefit you. That's the things that are going to be key for you in your journey. And it's not an easy journey, okay? But it's doable. It's attainable. Once you get yourself in a positive vibrational state, anything other than that is going to feel foreign to you. It's going to feel weird. And you're going to know when your energy is off. So that's what you need to continue to do. Continue to raise your vibration. Continue to put positive thoughts in your mind. Listen to your affirmations. Continue to meditate. Those are the things I teach because those are the things that work. Okay? That's what you have to do. And even on difficult days, okay, it's great to get back centered. It's great to get back grounded on difficult days, because those are the days that are going to try all the things that you work for, all of the things you work hard to attain. It's going to try that, and it's going to make you feel like, oh my gosh, everything's going wrong. It takes time, but you got this. And there are going to be things in your life that are going to be struggles. Everybody has ups and downs, okay? But it's about how you deal with those things. How do you deal with the adversity that you're faced with? And it's easy to beat up on yourself. especially when things were going so good. It's so easy to beat up on yourself when things feel weird. Am I doing something wrong? Am I out of alignment? These are the thoughts that we think to ourselves. Not realizing that, sometimes you may be a little bit, off vibrationally, but when you do this work, you can't get too far off. You can't get to the point where, now all of a sudden you're got to start from scratch. Okay, you're never going to get back to that. You're never going to go back to that space. You know the real truth. You know that if you align yourself, that everything will come to you and that your life will be amazing. So I'm not saying that it doesn't require any work, but it doesn't require such hard work like everyone makes it seem. It doesn't. Okay, it's about getting in alignment. The work is your alignment. The work is getting into alignment and making sure that you are aligned so that way you can attract the things that you want in your life. And I know sometimes when I tell people that they have to get into alignment and things like that, they feel like it's an attack on their way of living. It's an attack on their lifestyle. It's an attack on the way they've been living thus far. But it's not, you guys. It really is not. Because you won't know. You'll just be going along your everyday life not realizing that you're not in the state of allowance. You're not in a vibrational state that's just going to allow things to flow into your life. And that's okay. Because that's where we all start. We all start where we're like, I know it got to be easier than this. I know, my days should just flow. But what's going on? It's really your vibration. And like I said, meditation is one of the best ways to get into that alignment, you guys, because it kind of like starts your day off. If you do it first thing in the morning, it starts your day off in that vibrational frequency that you want to be in. Okay, so it can only go up from there. And I know a lot of people feel like, oh, but I can't clear my mind and I have all of these thoughts. I will link my meditation playlist in here. Listen to those. They'll help you out. They're guided meditations, most of them. So that way you can make sure that you are putting yourself in that vibrational frequency first thing in the morning. Make that a part of your morning routine. Every day, make sure that you are meditating. It's not hard. It's not, just listen to the playlist. Make sure you're in that vibrational frequency every single morning when you start your day, and your day will go amazing. And sometimes it's not always going to go amazing. Sometimes things will come, but you just have to make sure that when those things do come, that you get back in alignment by reminding yourself of exactly what's going on. Oh, cool.
The door gotta be completely closed with us, like wherever it's at. Or it won't come. So it might be somewhere downstairs. That's the part that's very, by the time you get down there.
Yeah, so make sure you guys doing the meditations. Like I said, I linked meditation playlists. And yeah, every single morning, raise your vibrational frequency before you head out the door. Before you step into the world and like people are coming at you with their stuff, before you go to work, all of that, you need to be in a vibrational frequency that is positive. Okay, listen to the positive affirmations. I'm going to link those too in this video because those will help you as well. Like I said, things happen. You may have a little off day, but you will get right back into alignment if you're putting these things in your everyday practice, like I said. So I linked both playlists, so make sure you guys check it out because those are going to help you on your journey. Those things are going to help you on your journey, so that way you're able to manifest whatever you want into your life. And stop listening to outside people, because outside people are going to tell you that it's super, super hard. You have to work hard and do all of this stuff and nothing comes easy. Get into alignment and you put in a little bit of the work, things will come easier. You do not have to struggle to make things happen. You'll see that things will start to flow into your life, and then one thing will lead to the next, and then one person will lead to another person that you're supposed to meet with, or you'll end up running into the right person at the right time. These are the things that happen once you align yourself, once you get into that vibrational state. Tune out all of the negative people, like especially at work. Those are where you get your most complaints, your complainers. Okay, they complain about every single thing. So you need to tune those people out, because those people are going to throw you off, okay? And then you're going to start thinking like, oh, maybe it is bad here. Maybe, nothing is going right at the job, or whatever the case may be. So you got to make sure that you're tuning these people out, because all they're going to do is complain. That's what you have to do to make sure that you are continuing to be in a positive vibration. Now, there are going to be things that happen and there are challenges, but their challenges are not your challenges, okay? And a lot of times, when you're around people, you're going to start to feed off of their energy, and you're going to start thinking that, whatever they're going through, you're going through. But really and truly, that's not how it is. So you have to make sure that you're tuning these people out. You can still be cool with people, but not really take on their problems and their issues. And when you're out enjoying life, enjoy the moment. Live in the moment, live in the now. A lot of times we could be caught up in other things going on. So right here, you see, I'm taking it all in. I'm enjoying the moment, enjoying the view of the hills. It was beautiful. And sometimes you have to stop and give thanks. Be grateful for these chances that you get to experience these things in your life. And don't let anyone shame you for the things that you've manifested in your life that you've been working hard to manifest and align with, and for enjoying the fruits of your labor, the seeds that you've sown in the universe. A lot of times they will try to come for you. They will try to shame you and say, oh, all you care about is this and that and manifesting this and manifesting that. They'll try to wealth shame you and be envious that you're enjoying a good life or you're enjoying the fruits of your labor. Like, you've manifested these things into your life. Here you can see I'm shopping, I'm enjoying my trip. And these are the times and the moments that you can enjoy the manifestations. So you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.